Good morning. Welcome to Qura Education System. Open your Oxford Modern English. Do you know what is the meaning of spirit of sacrifice? Spirit of sacrifice means to give up something for someone. The chapter Spirit of Sacrifice teaches the true meaning of sacrifice. It tells the story of a family during Eid al-Adha. That year, the family could not buy a goat or a cow because the money had been spent on the mother's illness. Ahad felt sad because he would not have an animal to play with during Eid. However, he understood his parents' situation, accepted it patiently. The chapter explained that real sacrifice is not about giving up animals or material things. It means give up something we love for the sake of Allah and for the happiness of others. It teaches us to be kind and caring towards animals. True sacrifice comes from the heart. We should be willing to give up for our wishes for a good cause and treat animals with kindness and respect. Eid festival is not for buying animals for enjoyment and feasting. We use them to share our blessing with those who have less than us. These were the lessons that we are taught. Now we will do back exercise, which is circle the correct answer. Number 1 is what is more important for Eid al-Adha. So the options are buying an animal, spending money, or the spirit of sacrifice. The correct answer is the spirit of sacrifice. Number 2 is why did the family not buy a goat that year? The family had been really busy helping the mother get better, or the family was buying a cow, or the boys wanted to surprise their parents. So the correct answer is the family had been really busy helping the mother get better. Now we will choose the correct words from the brackets. Ahad was dash because they could not get a goat. The options are given sadly, sadness, or sad. The correct answer is sad. This year his parent could not dash a goat. Buying, buy, or bought. The correct answer is buy. We do not buy animals to dash. Showing off, show off, or shown off. The correct answer is show off. Now students, we will do words meaning of the chapter. Adored, to love, furry, hairy, show off, to display, sacrifice, to give up something for someone, fluffy, furry, whispered, spoke quietly, slaughter, to kill. Now we will answer this question of the chapter. First is what do you understand by spirit of sacrifice? Spirit of sacrifice means to give up something for Allah. Question number 2 is why should we treat animals with kindness? We should treat animals with kindness because they have feelings. Number 3 is how do we celebrate Eid al-Adha? We celebrate Eid al-Adha by sacrificing sheep, goat, buffalo, or camel.